Tutorial 4. Here we go. Learning how to make a arc slot. Create a sketch. Select our plane. I'm going to create first an arc, center point arc. Select our center point. We're going to go out 30. 30. Whoop. Create our arc. Capiche. I'm going to zoom out. Okay. Select our line tool. We're going to go over 40. And then we're going to go up 10. Then over 30. Up 10. Over to the left 10. Then we're going to go all the way up 100. Right there. Zoom out. And then we're going to make an arc right here using our line tool. So just click and hold. And we're going to move it right towards the 50 mark right here. Then we're going to go straight down 120 and then over. Boom. It's our first presentation. All right, now we're going to get our circle going. Center diameter circle. Click the center point. We're going to make this 40. Okay. Next thing is we're going to create a slot. A center point arc slot. The same way like a center point arc, but we're going to make it into a slot. So click our center point. And we're going to go over. We're going to go over 40. And then just again 180 degrees right there. Click. And then we're going to move over left 20 millimeters. Boom. Done. That's our slot. So as you can see, you could have a pin here, right? And then a slot where you can have rotation that rotates around the pin, moving something around. Voila, ta-da. Next step, we have to save it. We're going to save this as tutorial 4. So if we summarize what we learned in chapter 2, which this is the end of chapter 2, AutoFusion 360, chapter 2, learn how to make lines. Learn how to make an arc from a line. We learned how to make a circle and also an arc, center point arc. And we learned how to make a center point arc slot. On to chapter 3.